equals MC squared. That is the engine that lights up the stars. Energy turns into mass. E equals MC squared. That is the secret of the stars. That is the secret of the stars. Now listen carefully.
Hello everybody, and welcome to Fuck Yeah Science with me, Evan Choquet. And today, we're going to talk about cancer. More like cancer. Cancer is a terrible, terrible fucking thing. But now, we have new technologies, and the human race is evolving and finding out ways to stop things from killing us. Because that's what we do, right? We find out, oh shit, this thing's killing us, so we're going to fucking kill it. Right? So, basically, if you don't know what cancer is, now, what happens every day is you have, my fist is a cell. And this is a cell inside of your body. And this cell, before it dies, it will split and make another cell. And another, and another, and another. But there could come a point at any time where there is a mutation. A mutation. And now this cell decides to split, but it mutates. And it becomes a Star Trek cell. But this cell is a cancer cell. This cell is bad. And this cell is going to do just like all the other normal cells do, and it's going to split, and it's going to divide, and it's going to make more bad cells. And all these cancer cells are going to, keep splitting and more, and eventually it's going to fucking kill you. But new discovery at Rice University, where they have found a way to kill cancer. Killing cancer is the coolest fucking thing in the world. Because it's not like chemotherapy or radiation therapy. It is explosive cancer therapy. Explosive cancer therapy. That is the coolest. That makes cancer therapy way more appealing. Sorry if that's offensive. But it does. Explosive cancer therapy. The one problem that we have is that it has not reached human trials yet. Therefore, it has worked on animals like mice. We won't make human trials until some billionaire gets cancer and wants them to try it on him, or, we get a way to just test it on people or whatever. So, scientists at Rice University, they have figured out a way to take 4 different therapies of cancer and put them into one and kill aggressive cancers. Head, neck, and brain cancers are very aggressive cancers that are highly resistant to chemotherapy, radiation therapy, etc. Therefore, with them being highly resistant, they'll just grow till they kill you. Very, very difficult, and it hurts not only the person, but it hurts their families and people close to them. I'm looking at my notes. So they've gone through animal trials. It is called quadruputics. Quadra as in 4, because they've taken 4 different cancer therapies and put them into one. Basically, what this thing does is it will seek out and destroy the cancer cells. Seek down, hunt down the cells in your body that are bad, these guys, and they will fucking kill them. It is awesome. Phase 1, a cancer drug is encapsulated and tagged with antibodies. So, some of you have probably taken capsules before. They're basically little tiny pods filled with powder or some type of medicine. Not like Tylenol or Advil, which are solid pills. It's tagged with antibodies. These antibodies are specifically programmed to find that cancer cell. So you have your cancer cell, and here's your capsule, and it's released inside of your digestive system, and it finds the cancer and it sticks to it. It's like, hey, what's up? I'm not going to do anything, but I'm just going to stick to you, cancer, alright? Second phase. Colloidal gold nanoparticles are injected. So we're injecting nanoparticles into your system. And when they get to the cancer cell, they also are tagged with antibodies. So you already have antibodies on there with your cancer therapy. And now you're taking these nanoparticles, and they're going at the cell, and they're going to go inside of the cell. And once they get inside, they're going to spread out in clusters. And they'll remain dormant. They won't do anything to the cancer until it is activated with a laser or chemotherapy. That's fucking cool. So we're going to put something inside of the cancer and then shoot it with a laser or give it some chemo and boom! Gone! Phase 3 involves a near-infrared laser pulse to the tumor, which briefly evaporates liquid. So we're going to take the laser and we're going to shoot it at the tumor, okay? And it causes transient expansion. It expands. And it's a breakdown of the nanobubbles. And these plasmonic nanobubbles, those are what are going to destroy the cancer. So now that we've shot it with the laser, these clusters inside are pretty much bubbling up. They're just bubbling up and they're expanding. And it happens instant. Boom! Go! And phase 4 is a low dose of X-ray radiation, which amplifies those gold clusters. Those nanoparticles, those plasmonic particles that are inside of that cancer cell are going to explode. Boom! Gone. Bye-bye tumor. 2% to 6% of normal clinical doses of drugs and X-rays. That is huge. Less sickness on people, less hurt on your body. And the tumors that they've targeted have been eliminated within 1 week. 1 week! That is crazy! Basically, I'm going to explain it with the whiteboard. Handy dandy whiteboard. Okay, so we have our little evil cancer cell. Here is your evil cancer cell. He is gonna kill you. Okay? Now basically, what we're gonna do is tag this motherfucker with some antibodies. Okay, so all these antibodies, all those little dots, they're sticking to the cancer. And they're letting, the lasers and the nanoparticles know, like, hey, this is where you gotta go. Don't attack the other tissues. Don't hurt anything else. We need you to kill this guy. Okay, it's like putting a spotlight on somebody and saying, we're going to murder you. Now, we're going to take this. I'm not going to draw a face on this one. And we're going to insert him with clusters of these nanoparticles. Boom. Clusters of nanoparticles. And those clusters, when they are shot with a laser, will fucking explode. But they cluster all up and they spread out and they're making this thing expand. And it's expanding. Because then it's going to explode one way, alright? We're gonna explode this way. And then it's gonna leave an open cell. Alright, I'm not a fucking artist, okay? But as you can see down here, alright, so we have the explosion, boom! And now the cell is over here and it's exploded. But with a hole in it, it can't hold anything in. It can't hold any of its nutrients. It can't hold the damn fucking thing. Making it died. That kills it. That's dead. It's like if you take me and you cut me open and you just leave me be. I'm gonna die because I can't hold all that stuff in by myself. I need my skin. I need my muscles. I need that stuff. We need that stuff. And with this new quadrupedic way of killing cancer, it's a huge advancement if we can get it to human trials and make it work. It will be phenomenal, fantastic. I'm going to post a link below sending you to another video at Rice University where they show examples of them actually exploding the cells. I will leave you the link in the description below along with my sources down in the link below. Thank you for watching Fuck Yeah Science with me, Evan, and that was cancer.